Welcome back to the SigNEX tutorial series. Today, we're diving into an essential part of the signing process, the document review page. This is where you can prepare your documents for signing and customize them to perfection. Let's get started. You've successfully created a workflow and uploaded your documents. Great job. But before sending them for signing, let's fine-tune a few details to enhance the signing experience. Welcome to the document review page. Here, you can add signature placeholders and other overlay elements to make signing seamless and intuitive. On the left side of your screen, you'll find the signer selection drop-down. Start by selecting a signer. Each signer is assigned a unique color for easy identification. You'll also notice that the overlay item controls change color to match the selected signer, making it simple to keep track of who's signing. Click on the signature field to place a signature placeholder on your document. Once it's placed, you can resize it, adjust the opacity, or delete it if needed. Simply drag and reposition the signature field to align it perfectly with your layout. For even more customization options, check out the tools on the right side of your screen. These allow you to fine-tune the placeholders to achieve the exact look you need. And if you ever need to remove a placeholder, there's a delete option available here as well. Text fields allow signers to input custom text. You can set a default value and configure it as read-only, mandatory, or multi-line. See the tools on the right side of your screen. You can use them to format your text field and customize the signing experience just the way you want. Play around with the options to make everything look just right. Checkboxes, perfect for task lists or checklists within the document. Pair it with a text field for even more functionality. Radio buttons. Similar to checkboxes, radio buttons add flexibility to the signing process. Combine them with a read-only text field for added usability. Once you've added and positioned all necessary elements, you're ready to send the document for signing. And that's the document review page. Thanks for tuning into the SigNEX tutorial series. See you next time, and as always, happy signing.